This video will walk you through how to get started building an accounting integration with the Ramp API. To start, let's review the concept of an accounting connection. An accounting connection is the link between your Ramp account and your company's ERP system. The connection allows Ramp to exchange data with your ERP so that information stays in sync between the two systems. Each accounting connection is uniquely associated with its own set of custom fields, vendors, general ledger accounts, and accounting rules to enable a seamless sync between Ramp and the ERP. A single Ramp account can only have one active accounting connection at a time. There are three different types of accounting connections: direct connection, the universal CSV, and the developer API. Direct connections are out-of-the-box integrations managed by Ramp. Ramp maintains the setup and maintenance of these integrations, and the connection to these integrations can only be enabled in the Ramp UI. Accounting custom fields, vendors, and GL accounts become read-only from the API. The second type of accounting connection is the universal CSV. This is a file-based import and export for quick setup of accounting integrations. The third type of accounting connection is the developer API, which allows you to programmatically integrate Ramp's data with your ERP system. The API accounting connection provides complete read and write access to accounting-related fields and is the recommended approach for building custom integrations with Ramp. The first step for setting up an accounting integration is to disconnect the existing connection so you can establish an API connection. Before disconnecting an existing accounting connection, it's important to know which one is currently active. To view your current accounting connection, you can view this in the Ramp UI by navigating to the Accounting tab, then clicking on Settings. You can also make an API call to fetch the current accounting connection by calling the Get Accounting Connection endpoint. You will need the accounting read scope to make this API call. If the current accounting connection is a direct connection, you'll disconnect it within the Ramp UI. If the current accounting connection is an API connection, you can disconnect it by calling the Delete Accounting Connection endpoint. You will need the accounting write scope in order to make this API call. If the current accounting connection is a universal CSV connection, you don't need to disconnect it. You can simply create a new API accounting connection, and it will replace it. Once the accounting connection is disconnected, you can create an API accounting connection by calling the Post Accounting Connection endpoint. This endpoint also requires the accounting write scope. Now that you've established the API accounting connection, you're ready to start building your accounting integration with Ramp. The next step will be programmatically uploading your chart of accounts from your ERP into Ramp, and we will cover this in the next video.